The Aceh government has been named an informative qualification local government in the 2021 Public Information Openness Award by the Central Information Commission. The previous year, the government of Aceh also won the title of informative. The government of Aceh is one of 10 local government that qualify for informative. The score of 96.93 puts Aceh in the second position after Central Java, which got 98.17. While in the third position is occupied by the provincial government of West Nusa Tenggara with a value of 96.77. The governor of Aceh, Nova Iriansyah, directly attended the award ceremony, which was held virtually by the Central Information Commission, Tuesday, 26 October 2021 this morning. The Vice President of the Republic of Indonesia, Ma'ruf Amin, hopes that the award can be spur for public agency to continue to strive to be the best in the term of information disclosure through various innovations. Disclosure of public information is important to encourage community involvement so as to create good and transparent governance.